What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another long-awaited vlog. Right now, I'm on a short trip to Guangzhou with some of my friends, and actually today's video is going to be super spontaneous because I literally came up with this idea during breakfast today. So basically, I came across a restaurant which brands itself as the most authentic Moroccan restaurant in Guangzhou. I was like, no way. So I messaged some of my friends back in Morocco and they were like, no, we don't believe it, but you should definitely go check it out. So here we are on our way to the Moroccan restaurant with my friends. Say hi.
Hi.
And actually, neither of them have tried Moroccan food before, so I'm super excited to see how they react to it. 那来采访一下两位，就是你们对摩洛哥菜的印象是怎么样的呢？
没尝过，我猜应该不行。
那你觉得呢？
我看 A 卷在摩洛哥做过，好像有很多土豆，可以看一下到底有什么。
So stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright, so we've been walking for half an hour and we are finally here. Okay, so now we're seated and apparently the restaurant is still pretty empty. Including us, there are only like 2 groups of people. And now, let's check out the menu first. Alright, let's see what they got for snacks. Okay, so they have tapas. So shrimp shalmoula, hummus. Okay, so this is definitely something Mediterranean or Middle Eastern. And for the main dish here, they have couscous, which is 100% Moroccan, and also the tagine. They have 2 options, kefta tagine and lamb tagine. Okay, here is the Moroccan tea, and the teapot is like really hot. Now I'm gonna do the tea serving for my friends. Now we haven't added any sugar yet. How do you think of it? 你觉得怎么样？
没啥味道，有一股薄荷的味道。
是吧？
Feels like watermelon.
What? 因为摩洛哥茶有个精髓就是，you can never have enough sugar. We're gonna add a shit ton of sugar. Take 2. We're gonna add a shit ton of sugar.
Try your best.
Okay, here we go. And now we're gonna do the mixing.
那剩下的怎么？
Okay, try it now. 是不是超级不一样了？
真的好喝很多。
Okay, this is the hummus with bread.
好吃。
And here is the lamb tagine. Look at this, it looks so juicy. But honestly, it's a little bit different from the ones I used to have in Morocco because they wouldn't put couscous on the side. It's so good. And this is the chicken couscous. What? Which is interesting because it looks like chicken kebab. They didn't cook it in the tagine pot, but anyways, we'll have a try. Okay, so now you're going to see something truly horrendous. When they served us the chicken couscous, they also brought us a bowl of soup and told us to pour it into the couscous.
Ew!
A few moments later.
Now I just want to do an honest review of the restaurant. First off, the restaurant does have a pretty nice decor. They put some vintage and Berber handicrafts in the room, so it kind of resembles those fancy restaurants like Cafe Clock that you will see in Morocco. The menu is okay, it doesn't offer a lot of options, like they don't have harira and other food typically found in Moroccan households. They also don't have Moroccan sweets or desserts, which is a little bit disappointing. In terms of food they do have, one dish that all of us like is the lamb tagine. The meat was tender and juicy and the sauce was delicious with the right sweetness. I mean, we all liked it, so that's definitely a 9 out of 10. The hummus was great as well, they sprinkled some paprika on it, which gives it more flavor. Okay, next, I want to talk about some things that could be improved. First of all, I've never tasted any Moroccan tea that has such a strong mint flavor. Like, I could barely feel the original taste of tea. They probably put the mint into the teapot super early on, so it's been there all the time, like from the beginning to when the tea is served. I'm not a big fan of it because I feel like I've just squeezed a ton of toothpaste into my mouth. Also, regarding the chicken couscous, when it was brought to our table, I was like, what the f***? It's literally like someone has mistakenly put the grilled chicken kebab onto a plate of couscous. It's just straight up weird. I don't think that's how you're supposed to cook couscous. Also, they put soup on the side and told us to pour it onto the couscous. I just have no words for it. Anyways, we end up paying 280 RMB, which is equal to 380 Moroccan dirham. Yeah, it is an expensive meal, but considering the food they do have, I don't think it's quite worth it. Okay, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the content, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I was browsing social media during breakfast today. Okay. Believe it, but you should definitely go check it out.
跟奇葩说有啥区别？
应该是肚子痛。